In this video, I'll show you how to spawn your personal vehicle in GTA 5 Online. Now there are two methods you can do this. The first one is by using the interaction menu on the game. So if you're on PC, simply press the M button and it will bring the interaction menu. If you're on PS5, press and hold the touchpad. If you're on Xbox, press and hold the view button. Now on the interaction menu, scroll down and select manage vehicles, choose that, and then you should see this option request personal vehicle. So you can select that and your personal vehicle will appear on the map. Now another way you can do this is by simply calling your mechanic. So simply bring up your phone and then select contacts and then find mechanic. Here he is. Give him a call. And then from here, choose the location you'd like to get your car from. So let's say this particular location, select that, and then choose the car that you'd like to spawn. So select the car, and then after a few seconds, your car will appear on the map. So as you can see, there it is. And that's pretty simple on how to get your personal vehicle or how to spawn your personal vehicle in GTA 5 Online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.